everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into something that often gets overlooked, but is absolutely crucial for any audio setup: the humble microphone cable. Specifically, we're looking at a single pack of 3-foot XLR microphone cables, featuring oxygen-free copper and a standard 3-pin male to female configuration. Now, you might think a cable is just a cable, but when it comes to audio, the quality of your connection can make a world of difference. This particular cable stands out, especially for those who need a reliable, short-run solution. The 3-foot length is incredibly practical. Think about your studio desk. You've got your audio interface, your mixer, your studio monitors, or perhaps a podcast setup. Long, coiled cables can quickly turn into a tangled mess, introducing potential noise and just generally being an eyesore. This 3-foot cable is perfect for keeping things neat and tidy, connecting your microphone directly to your mixer or your mixer to your monitors without excess slack. It's ideal for close proximity connections, ensuring a clean and organized workspace. One of the most significant features of this cable is its oxygen-free copper, or OFC, construction. Why is OFC important? Well, oxygen in copper can lead to oxidation over time, which degrades the conductivity and can introduce signal loss or unwanted noise. By using oxygen-free copper, this cable is designed to provide a purer signal path, minimizing interference and ensuring that your audio remains crisp, clear, and true to its source. This means less hum, less hiss, and a more professional sound, whether you're recording vocals, instruments, or hosting a podcast. The 3-pin male to female configuration is the industry standard for XLR connections, making this cable universally compatible with a vast array of audio equipment. Whether you're connecting a microphone to a PA system for a live gig, linking your audio mixer to studio monitors for critical listening, or setting up for a professional audio recording session, this cable is ready for the task. Its robust connectors ensure a secure and reliable connection every time, preventing accidental disconnections that can disrupt your workflow or performance. For anyone involved in audio, from casual podcasters to serious studio engineers, having dependable cables is non-negotiable. This 3-foot XLR cable offers a fantastic balance of quality, convenience, and performance. It's built to last, designed to deliver clean audio, and perfectly sized for those situations where a longer cable would simply be overkill. Investing in good cables like this one is investing in the integrity of your sound. It's a small component that plays a massive role in the overall quality of your audio production.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.